Sobatech is the passionate leader in designing, manufacturing, and commissioning continuous mixing systems. The innovative continuous mixing equipment is suitable to all kinds of industries, like food, pharma, and plant-based proteins, including extreme low to high viscosity products. Continuous mixing helps you to simplify your production process, reduce labor, cut costs, and improve product quality consistency. Sobatech's continuous production processes start at the continuous and automated weighing of powder and liquid ingredients. Sobatech does this by means of its own dosing hardware and software that delivers exceptional dosing accuracy at all times. The ingredients are dosed into a two-phased continuous mixing process. The mixing process is responsible for putting in controlled mechanical energy required to develop and homogenize your product category. Whilst mechanical energy is added to the product, the process temperatures are constantly monitored. Temperature control happens by an automatic temperature-controlled water dosing. Hollow mixing tools and thus cooling or heating exactly there where the shear is created, cooling the jackets of the mixing chamber. As a result of the high product tooling ratio, in which the mixing tool forms a substantial amount of the mixing chamber volume, the contact surface is relatively large, allowing for shorter mixing times, a more sustainable mixing process, and effective temperature control. As a final and optional step, the product can rest in Sobatech's continuous resting tube called the continuous bulk fermenter. From the fermenter, the product can be directly dropped into the receiving hopper of the makeup line. Do you want to get more control of your mixing process and produce a more constant product quality at all times? Contact the Sobat team to find out more.